Hi everyone, it's Helen here. Thank you very much for joining me for another Simply Made Sunday. I'm absolutely really enjoying this little series. It's a continuing series where I feature Simply Made crafts every single Sunday. So today we're going to be making this fries carton die set here. And it's currently featured in Die Cutting Essentials issue 104. So I've got all of the little bits here that I've featured in there, but today we're going to be making the fries carton. So I'll pop up here the article that I'm in and all the little makes that are in that article, and I'll quickly show you the die sets, then we're just going to jump straight into the tutorial. Okay, so you may have also seen a sneaky little code there for 10% off in there, and I'm also going to be using a special day paper pack. That's what I used in this particular feature, but this will look lovely with any papers depending on who you're giving this to. So we're going to be using the fries carton die set today, but I also featured is the ring box die set, the coffee cup die set, I love that one, the pizza for tea die set. This makes a lovely cookie box, give away some cookies in that, and the window treat box die set. So this is the one with the window in it with the banner going across. And I'll also be using the wonderful sentiments. I love this one. It's got mum, dad, thank you, birthday wishes, lots of love, you are the best. It's got even the hello there as well, you are wonderful. This is the all-in-one sentiment set there for any occasion. And I'll also be using the flowers and leaves die set. These are rolled flowers, and these are the roses that they make here, and you get the leaves as well. And I've popped this one onto a ring, so it's a lovely home decor piece, and I'll be using this one here to finish off today's project. And if you're wondering why I'm wearing two watches, I have been doing some exercise walking challenges. So this one I use for the daily steps, because this is a Fitbit. It does more steps. It registers more steps, whereas my Garmin here, it's more for like my health stats and things like that, which is better measurements I found. So this is my medal, and if you want to hang around till after the video, I will open that box and we can have a look inside. It's really good. Okay, so let's choose our papers first. Right, so I've chosen my paper. I'm going for a floral, and this is going to work lovely with this rose here, and I'm going to go for blue for the background for my sentiment, and Paris Dusk in Memento. I think Craft Stash have started to carry these. If they are, I will link those down below. If not, I know Amazon have them, and I'll link that anyway. So this is the dice set here. We're going to cut everything out all in one piece, and then we have all of these accent dies to play with as well. And some people have asked me what this is for. This is for creating an extra dip there. Just pop that on there, so you can trim that off and trim that off, so you lose the lid completely. And this one will create a lower bit at the front to make a proper fries box. I believe you can also pop this one at the top here. You will get a score line here, but it will trim off the top of this section, so you can have the curved section at the back as well. So let's run this through. You will be needing a large format die cutting machine for this one, but the great thing is it cuts it all out in one piece, so all you have to do is just join the tabs together. Okay, so all I have to do now is just fold all of these score lines. So some of them are curved, so you just have to use your both hands like this and follow the curve around, just like that. And we have a couple of straight ones as well, so some of them go inwards and then the curves go outwards as well. So do the straight ones first, and then we can work on the curves. Okay, so I have folded all of my score lines here, and as you can see, this has a closure at the top there, so it closes the box up completely. So these make perfect wedding favour boxes as well, and again, personalise them to the wedding or the occasion that you're using them for. But if you want an open top one, run this through again with this one just up there, and then run it through again with this one at the bottom, and this one will give you the curved edge at the top, and at the front you'll have the extra dip there to make a proper little fries, open top fries box. Again, perfect for adding all your little goodies and chocolates and little stash things like that. Right, so let's get gluing. So I'm going to be using some Cosmic Shimmer today, and all I'm going to do is just add my glue along here. This is a super easy box to put together, and then some more glue just here, just like that. Now this folds up. There is a fold line here, but we fold it the other way to have that on the inside, and then we can fold. We are going against the folds here. It's very hot in here, so I'm trying to be quick. I'm getting this folded up, and we just pop that on just like that. Okay, so all we have to do now is, once you're happy that that glue has dried, you can poke everything else back in again. So it's up to you whether you want to have this score line poking outwards or poking inwards, but it works better when it pokes outwards. And then all we have to do is just pop that in. There we go. There we have our little gift box with a lid as well, ready to go. So if you wanted to use this for confetti, this is going to be a perfect confetti holder, and it stands up all by itself. Very independent box this is. Right, so let's move over now to our sentiment. I'm really tempted just to put hello on there. I really am. I love a good hello. I think that will look really good. That will look really good with black. See, now we've got all of these choices. I think I used You Are Wonderful for the magazine. I'm going to stick with You Are Wonderful because I would like to use the hello, but I also want to use this rose as well. I wouldn't be too sure where I could put the rose. I guess I could pop it there like that. Okay, let's go for the hello because that's what I'm drawn to, and I'm going to change to just a black. I think I'm going to stamp it in blue and then black, and I'm going to choose. And any leftover stamp bits and bobs I can just pop back in the packet and save for another time. So I'm using here a stamping mat, really important. And let's grab a block, or if you have a stamping platform, that will also work nicely. So I'm going to do the blue first. Okay, so I am going to make my decision here, but I would love to know which one you would go for, which one you think looks best. Okay, so I've got Versamark Onyx Black here, my favourite black ink pad. Ooh, I think the black, but then the blue is a little bit more, it's a little softer, but I think I'm going to stick with the black one. Right, so this was a very, very early stamp set, so I don't have any dies for that one, because normally I do the dies now to cut out your sentiments. However, these are very easy, basic shapes, so I'm just going to trim these out, long bladed scissors will be your friend for fussy cutting shapes like this, because you can kind of just go all in one go, almost like it's all in one cut, and you can just keep going. And you can get a straighter cut as well. There we go. How easy was that? Right. I think I'm also going to die cut something from gold. I'm going to be using this. This is from the Fry's die set as well, so let's do that. Okay, so you're probably wondering, this is pretty small and this heart is pretty big, so what we're going to do, we're going to chop this in half. Now I'm wondering whether I should have gone for a white background. This is where you second guess your colour choices. Should I have gone for a white background on the hello? I think this will look alright. Let's do a quick dry run. Yes, I like that. Okay, so what we're going to do is we've extended our banner now. It was short. Now it's long, and we can pop that there like that. Okay, so let's add our glue. I do love this little trick here. There we go. This glue does dry quite fast, but this is a shiny surface, so it may take that little bit extra time to dry. So do I have room here for the full? Yes, we do. That should hold things in place. Right, choose your back and your front. I have the seams here, and I'm just going to place that there. Now this, I have used this before on another project, so I have taken this off. I think this was part of that ring project, so I'm just going to pop this on there, I think with some hot glue. So I made a quick change whilst my glue gun is heating up. I thought, I know, I'm just going to try it with the black and the white, and I prefer that much better. I really do like that a lot. But I haven't wasted my hello. I've popped it onto my phone stand. There we go. That's going to look nice now when my phone's not in it, and I put my phone in there. It's going to look okay. So there you go. A little bit of craft room decor there. Right, so let's get this popped on now. I'm just going to add a bit of hot glue just to these leaves because they are a bit loose. But obviously you'll be making these up from fresh. If you're anything like me, I like to save projects and save things off projects. So I do tend to have spares knocking around in my little spares box. So there we have a little decoration there. I love that. And then we pop that in there, and that is a sealed box ready to go. I absolutely love this one. It's really pretty. And again, you can change this to whoever you are giving this for whatever occasion that you need them for. If you can imagine having all of these, if you had to make loads of these, having them all stacked up ready to go. It's a bit forward heavy now I've put stuff in it, but once there's stuff inside there, that will stand up by itself really nicely. Okay, so thank you everyone for joining me today. Everything is down below in the description box from what I've used today, and I'll see you again next time. And if you have stayed to the end, I did say that I would show you my little challenge that I've been working on. So it was 233 kilometers for the Shire virtual challenge. This is not sponsored whatsoever. This is something that I'm taking on myself to do to keep myself fit, and I have completed the first Lord of the Rings challenge, which is the Shire, and that's 233 I think kilometers. So here is my medal. I absolutely love this. Look at this, and you get this as well, you can wear it if you want to. I'm not going to wear it. Maybe I'll take a photo wearing it, but you may have seen me show one of the maps, because you can track your progress on the map of where you are and how much you've got left and everything. It tells you all of that information. So you may have seen me share that last week on social media. And we have here this little envelope. I love this, and it opens up. It does. It's very interactive. And inside you have the ring. It's the ring, guys. And there it is. It's even got the writing on there as well, and you can wear it if you want to. It is metal, I think. It is metal, but it's very like cheap metal. You can see one of the joins here, but I absolutely love this. And then this fits into the medal that you get on the 5th challenge. It fits into the little volcano. So I absolutely love this one. This is not sponsored, or I'm not affiliated with these guys. I'm just really enjoying the Conqueror challenges, and I just wanted to share my progress. So I've now started the Amalfi Coast medal, and once I get that, I think I'm 27% on that as well. It's only 56 kilometers, so once I get that medal, I will show you guys that one as well. So make sure you'll follow me on social media, Helen Griffin UK, and I'll be sharing these updates and also all of my paper crafting updates too. So thank you very much for joining me today, especially if you stayed to the end there, and I'll see you again next time.